everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we are going to create this beautiful and gorgeous makeup look. I have absolutely loved how this makeup has turned out, and it is so long lasting, and even if you dance the whole night it is not going to come off. I know this Navratri season has been a bit low for all of us. We are not able to go anywhere, but what's the harm in practicing this makeup and getting ready for the next year next. So if you want to know how I have created this makeup look, do watch this video till the end. Now if you are new to my channel and if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Saili and I make videos on makeup, fashion, lifestyle and skincare. Do consider subscribing to my channel. You will find a lot of videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and many more. And if you haven't yet followed me on Instagram as well, do follow me on Instagram as well. I will link the handle on the screen and in the description box. Now without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. So guys, we'll start with moisturizing first, and today I'm going to use this Pond's moisturizer. This is a very light moisturizer and it moisturizes the skin really very well. So I'm going to take a generous amount of this moisturizer and massage the moisturizer in my face really well. Now I'll quickly get done with the base, and for my base I'm going to use these three products for my base: primer, the foundation and the concealer. It is quite the usual one. I have used this in my previous videos as well, so we are just going to continue with my routine of the base. So I have bought a couple of new products which I do want to try out. I want to make a completely separate video for all the new products that I'm going to try. Now we are pretty much done with our base. I'm just left with the blush and the highlighter, which we'll do at the end of this video. Now for the brows, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Brow Made. This is a really great eyebrow filler I have come across. It's really very nice and the pigmentation is great, and you really need a very little amount of the product at one time. So you just have to dip the brush that it comes with in this pot just slightly, and then you just need to fill in your brows. Now for the eye makeup, we need the eye makeup to be glam, right? Because this is a Navratri makeup look and we usually wear it during the night time. Now this year, since we are not going anywhere, it's fine. But you can always practice this makeup look at your homes and you can wear it the next year, correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use glitter over my lid, but before that I'm just going to warm up a bit of my eyelid. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution palette. It is full of neutral shades and you can create so many beautiful makeup looks from this one palette. So this was a great investment for me, I feel. So just to warm up my crease, I'm going to use this shade over here. I'm going to take a little bit on my brush. Now these eyeshadows are really very pigmented, so you need to really take a little bit at a time, and I'm going to just apply it over my crease. Now the brush that I'm using for this is a fluffy brush. It's so fluffy and it's so soft, and this is from Pro Art and this is in the number PE22. I got a few comments that I need to mention what brushes I'm using as well, so I'm going to try and mention all the brushes that I'm using. Now I'm going to take a small blending brush like this. This is a tampered, a little bit of round of blending brush. This is from a set I bought. It's from Miniso. So for the crease, I'm going to use a darker shade, and I'm going to go with a mixture. And I'm going to go with a mixture of this black over here and this darker brown. So I'm going to mix both of them, and I'm just going to apply it on the ends of my eyes right over here, just to give that depth. So just dipping my brush, and in the black one, and again just dipping it. So I have this much of the product on my brush, tapping the excess off and applying it over my outer corner, just tapping it. And now I'm going to blend it. That's it. This much is enough for the eyeshadow. Now for the glitter. Now we're keeping this really very mellowed down, because there is going to be glitter on our lids and we do not want too bright or too gaudy of anything. And so for the liquid eyeliner, for the glitter, I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner from Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade number 3 Champagne. It comes in a brush applicator like this, but I prefer taking it on my brush for the definition to my eyes. So I'm just going to take this on my brush. I'm using a flat brush, and starting from the center of my lid, I am going to apply this all over my lid. I'm again going to take the darker shade, and I'm going to take the same brush we used, and I'm just going to blend the harsh corners of this. I'm just going to, now for the lower lash line, we are going to take this shade and the darker shade that we have used to use at the corner of our eyes. We are going to mix these both, and we are going to do it on the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the same brush that I had used for the crease. Now we are almost done with the eyes. We will just complete this look with applying some falsies, mascara, and a little bit of eyeliner. For my false eyelashes, again I'm going to use this pack eyelashes. I've used this in my previous video as well. So I have two options over here. One are these natural looking eyelashes, and one are these. So I think we'll go with this one. This is going to look too it is going to look too heavy, I feel, so I'm going to go with the natural looking one. So guys, I'm back. Just look at how gorgeous and how beautiful the eye makeup has turned out. It looks so complete and so beautiful. Now for the blush, I'm going to go with the pink, light pink shade over here, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of it. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild highlighter. I have been loving this highlighter ever since I've started using this one. It gives a very natural glow to your face. Now for my lips, I'm going to use both of these shades. This is from Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Give Me Mocha, and this is from Nykaa. It's in the shade Gul. So I'm going to outline with Give Me Mocha, and I'm going to fill my inner lips with Gul. Now taking the Gul shade, and I'm just going to apply it on the center of my lips. So this is it, you guys. This is the final look. So this is the finished look, you guys. You can also apply some bindis on your chin and on your outer side of your eyes, but I have not done it. I don't really like those on my face. I think it does not suit me, but you can definitely go with that. Now this was the finished look. I have completely fallen in love with this look. It looks so beautiful. And now since we have used the liquid eyeshadow, how much ever you dance or how much ever you sweat, it is not going to come off. That is the best part about this liquid eyeshadow. I really hope you like this video, guys. If you have liked this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below how you've liked this video. Also comment down below what other videos you would want me to do. Festive season is here. I am all up for any kind of videos you guys would like to have on my channel. I'll meet you in my next video, guys. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and be beautiful. Bye bye.